Hello children, welcome to the first video of the rise of Hitler. I think you all were waiting for this chapter only. Children, this whole chapter revolves around Hitler. He is the hero and villain of this chapter. He was the person who sowed the seed of the Second World War. Because of Hitler, the whole world history get changed, and after the Second World War, the fact which was revealed means the truth which came out after the Second World War changed the world people's thought and perception. To understand this chapter nicely, let's start this chapter from the story of a little 11-year-old German boy called Helmut. Means children telling you a story or incident which took place after Second World War 1945. Means Second World War was over in 1945, which will change your thoughts about the cruelties which took place in Second World War. So this is the photo of a boy whose name is Helmut, and your chapter start from his story only after 1945. Let's see its background. If you see, in 1945, a 11-year-old boy called Helmut, who's who was lying in the bed and trying to sleep. At that time, he overheard. So, what he overheard? That his second point, that his father was discussing with his wife either to kill himself or all the family members, including Helmut also. He was saying to his wife, means talking to his wife, the time had come to kill the entire family or they should commit suicide alone. His father was talking his fear of revenge, saying, now the Allies will do to us what we did to the cripple and the Jews during the Second World War. Means he is talking about the crime which they did in the Second World War. Being 11-year child, he get panic and afraid. He was not knowing the reason what they are talking, but he was knowing that his life is at risk. The next day, if you see in third point, his father took them all for a picnic, and where they spent their happy times together, singing old children's songs. Later, Helmut, father, shot himself in his office. Mean he shot himself with his pistol. See, children, Helmut saw his father's bloody uniform, which was lying burnt in the family fireplace. So that child, being a small child, he was so traumatized was he by what he had overheard and what had happened that he reacted by refusing to eat at home for the following 9 years. He was afraid that his mother might poison him. Means he was not ready to take lunch, breakfast, dinner from her own mother. But later on, if you see fourth point, Helmut came to know that his father was a Nazi and a supporter of Adolf Hitler, who wanted to make Germany a supreme power and having ambition of conquering all the European countries. But actually, if you see last point, Nazism is a structure of idea about world politics, means about a world politics whose leader was Adolf Hitler, and the rise of Nazism was in pre-war Germany. But after 1945, means Second World War, Germany surrendered to the Allies. But Hitler and his wife, or you can say his propaganda minister Goebbels, and his entire family committed suicide collectively in his Berlin bunker in April 1945. So you can see the Hitler's and his wife photo also. And next day it came in newspaper that Hitler dead. He committed suicide in his bunker. Children, at the end of the war, an international military tribunal at Nuremberg was set up to prosecute Nazis war criminal for crime against peace and for war crime. But you will be surprised that only 11 were sentenced to death. Let's see the crime against humanity and genocidal war by Germany. Children, Germany conducted crime against humanity in the war, especially during Second World War. I am right now talking about Second World War. These crimes came to be called crime against humanities. Children, you won't believe that under the shadow of Second World War, he did mass murdering of selected groups of innocent civilians of Europe. The people were Jews. Are you seeing the photos? These all are Jewish people. Children, women, and men see innocency and panic on their face. Children, do you know the crime of these people only because they were Jews? Nothing crime they had committed, only they were Jews. Because of this, nearly 6 million Jews and 1 million Polish civilians were being killed in concentration camp. And see, these are gypsies peoples. Nearly 2 lakh gypsies were being killed. And if you see here, 70,000 Germans who were considered mentally and physically disabled, and beside children, innumerable political opponents, those who were against of Hitler or those who dared to oppose the policies of Hitler, they were being also sent to the concentration camp, and later on they were being killed. So you can see all this, they are all in the concentration camp. Children, have you recognized this photo? I do hope you have seen somewhere. She was one girl among them, means she was also in the concentration camp, whose whole family, means I am talking about this girl, whose whole family was victimized by Nazis or Hitler policies. I do hope you all know this girl. Her name is Annie Frank, a 13-year-old Jewish girl. Wrote about her life and criticized of Nazis policies during Second World. For more detail, you just read chapter from the diary of Annie Frank. Children, you won't believe in the Second World War. It is estimated that total means 70 to 85 million people perished. They were died in Second World War. Means estimated 2.3 million people died directly caused by the war, including military and the civilian fatalities, and 19 to 28 million death took place due to war-related diseases and famine. Children, now let's come out from flashback of story, means after 1945. Now let's see the reality and the real story, why all these things happen. What were the real reason behind it? What were the reason of the rise of Hitler or Nazism? Why at last, means after 1945, children, Hitler and that boy father, Helmut father, committed suicide. To know all this, let's move to the European history during the starting of 20th century. See how the countries were divided into two groups at that time. Means during 20th century, the whole world was divided into two groups: allies and axis. Allies actually means friend. So in this, countries were England, France and Russia. And in axis means refers to the central power. So at the center of Europe, the main country was Germany. So they kept the name Axis power, the Germany, Italy and Japan. And when the First World War was going on, it was started 1914 and to 1918. And in 1917, US also joined the Allies. Children, to make you more clear, you can see in Europe map, the Axis power are in brown color. Are you seeing brown color? Germany and Italy. And in green color, Allies power, England and France. And at last you see the in white color, USSR. Clear? And see, Axis power had occupied Poland, which you can see in pink color. Are you seeing in pink color? It was occupied by Axis power. See children, every country get involved in First World War to become a superpower and wanted to become rich by annexing more and more land. All countries means allies and Axis country joined the war enthusiastically, hoping to gain a quick victory. And see, during the First War, Germany fought the First World War 1914 to 1918 along with the Austrian Empire and against the Allies. Allies, I have explained you earlier, England, France and Russia. If you see second point, Germany initially made gain by occupying France and Belgium. However, the Allies strengthened by the US entry in 1970. After entering of United States of America, the World War scenario get changed, means result get changed, means talking about First World War. If you see last point and last, so naturally result will be clear. The Allies won, defeating Germany and the Central Power in 1980. And now see when the Axis power lost the First World War. So see what happened after it. The defeat of the Imperial Germany in the First World War and the abdication is resignation, removal of the emperor gave an opportunity to parliamentary parties to recast German polity, means monarch or emperor system was over, and a national party and a national assembly met at Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure, and it gave children birth of the Weimar Republic. But this republic or the Weimar Republic was not received well by its own people. You know why they were not welcomed properly in their own country? Because of the term, it's forced term. You can see this forced term. Children, if you see real cause, the Weimar Republican were helpless after all, they were defeated badly in the First World War. They had no other option. And if you see last point, the Republicans were forced to accept peace treaty after Germany defeats at the end of First World War. And this treaty is known as the Treaty of Versailles. Actually, this treaty was very harsh and humiliating to German people. In this treaty, if you see all these points, first, Germany lost its overseas colonies, a tenth of its population, and 13% of its territory. Means 13% of land were encroached by the Allies only. The next point, 70% of its iron and 26% of coal, or means it is given to France. Means mineral were also taken by the France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. Moreover, if you see last point, to weaken its power, means Germany power, the Allied powers demilitarized Germany. So it will be clear from this Germany map. Children, yellow color, are you seeing? Yellow color, lands were taken from Germany. Means these lands were taken from Germany and given to the France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. And we are seeing red color, it is written Rhineland, and Rhineland was made demilitarized zone by Allies, and only main or objective was to weaken the Germany power, so that Germany should not remain a powerful. Because of this harsh and humiliating treaty, now children, see the result of this treaty. First point, the war guilt clause forced Germany to pay compensation amounting to 6 billion, means it is in pound, and the resource rich Rhineland, means the Rhineland was very rich for the mineral, was occupied by the Allied armies for much of the 1920s. Because of this, many Germans held the new Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war, but the disgrace at Versailles. That's why they were not received well by its own German peoples, and they were being called November criminals. Let's see after the First World War, what were the effects of the war? You see, we will see one by one in point. The first point, the war had a devastating impact on the entire continent, both psychologically and financially. Second point, from being a creator, European country become a debtor. If you see last point, and the supporters of the Weimar Republic were criticized. And reason because of that harsh treaty which was made by or which was done by the Allies. Those who supported children, those who supported the Weimar Republic, means the first time this National Assembly was being created, a parliamentary form, mainly socialists, Catholics, and the Democrats were mockingly called the November criminals. Means German people, they started calling those who are favoring Weimar Republic the November criminals. They become easy target of the conservative nationalists. All these factors were giving rise to dictatorship of Hitler and to the conservative nationalists. Means all the circumstances, background were created at that time. So all these were giving chance to the rise of dictatorship. Now in Germany, due to deep imprint of war, means effect of the war, you can say, soldier came to be placed above civilians. Aggressive war propaganda and the national order become important. Thus, the federal structure or the republic become weak day by day. Thus, the fragile democracy which was set up by the Allies could not survive and led instability in the Europe. And you can see how soldiers were being welcomed, how they are being honored, means how they are getting importance during the World War. And so media were also glorifying, so media glorified the trench life and spread aggressive war propaganda, but all above effects and the factors help in developing the popular support of conservative dictatorship. And democracy was indeed a young and fragile idea which could not survive the instability of internal Europe. So I hope, my dear children, the story of Germany is clear to you. In next video, we will see the political development which gave the way to the rise of Hitler in Germany. Till next video, take care, be safe from COVID pandemic by adopting SOP in your day-to-day life. Thank you, my dear children.